It's too late. It's too late. Naku konakala ezweni. Wait. This video is for educational purposes only. All information is based on public reports and official company updates. Nazo-ke singabahlakaniphela. I-Neuralink bazalwane. Understand ukuthi we are living in the future. The future is here. The future is now. Sanibonani ngiye ngizokuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama i-Neuralink. Yo, ngeke ungikholwe. Asiqale. I-Neuralink Corporation is a private US neurotechnology company that was founded in 2016 by and a small team of engineers, including neuroscientists. Their goal is to build a high broadband brain-computer interface ezokwazi ukusiza abantu abangakwazi ukunyakaza, abangakwazi ukukhuluma, abanenkinga ye-vision. Understand ukuthi there's more. Uyakwazi ukucontrola everything ephathelene ne-technology using the neural interface that they want to create or that they have created. Ungavumi isingisi sikudide. Understand ukuthi mabethi brain computer interface BCI basuke bekhuluma ngalento. Understand ukuthi it is used to make sure ukuthi laba abangakwazi ukuhamba bazohamba, laba abangakwazi ukubona bazobona, and laba abangakwazi ukukhuluma bakhulume using this. But most of all izokusiza ukwazi ukukonnecta nayo yonke into eyitechnology endlini. Technology abazalwane, technology. Hlakanipha ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi i-process yakhona is very simple. Bayakuvula, bakufake, mesuphila nayo, asiqale phansi. Bayakuvula, bakufake, mesuphila nayo. For those of us esikhathele ukutype, for those of us esikhathele ukuthi madlala ama-games lokhu esisebenzisa ama-joystick, this is the solution. Understand ukuthi once wafaka le implant, you are automatically linked to everything technology eduze kwakho. It will assist you and make impilo yakho ibe lula ngobani awusadingi manje lokhu ucabanga ukuthi uzofonela bani. All you have to do is literally think of the number ivele ifoneleke. Understand ukuthi ama-email uyathumela kalula, ama-message uyathumela kalula, ama-game uwadlala using ingqondo yakho. Understand one thing mntomnyama, mawunalento le for those who are living with certain conditions. Thola ukuthi wena mhlambe awukwazi ukuhamba, uzoyithola usuwumuntu okwazi ukuhamba. For laba abasibona bawazi ukubona, izokwazi ukuthi kusiza uphinde ubone, and for those abangakwazi ukukhuluma izokwazi ukuthi kusiza ukhulume. That is the promise they made to us the time bethi they introducing lento. Bathi thatha lento ayinamgozi because it will help heal i-memory loss yakho, i-hearing loss, i-blindness, i-paralysis, i-depression, i-insomnia, i-extreme pain, i-seizures, i-anxiety, i-addiction, i-stroke, nama-brain damage. It will help assist you kuhambe konke lokhu. All you have to do is thatha lento ayinamgozi. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi bayifaka kanjani lento yabo. Understand ukuthi e-Neuralink they built i-robot, a surgical robot that was intended ukuthi ikwazi to position the device la and to make sure ukuthi lama-threads abawafakayo angeke aphazamise any of ama-vessels, and konke lokho kwenzeka nje in a safe manner. Yeah, ne? This is the machine abayakhile e-Neuralink, i-surgical machine ebasizayo ukufaka lento yabo la, so as to make sure ukuthi wena uba safe, wena uba right during the procedure. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi how does it all work? Ngiyaxolisa, I wish there was a simple way to explain this, but there just isn't. Ama-threads pick up extracellular electronical activities from neurons, yes, actions, potentials, and local field potentials, yes. Neural signals are amplified using lo machine wabo so that they can process the information abayithola from la. Yes, understand ukuthi when we decoding lento, umshini learns ama models and they decode yonke into to make sure ukuthi they understand ama movement, ama speech and other numerical representation enzakalayo in the medulla, so as to be able ukuthi bawa relay to imshini so that uzokwazi ukutype, uzokwazi ukuthi wenze everything yomshini using law. This is Anonymous, and Anonymous is the first person emhlabeni ukuthi afake i-Neuralink, and njengamanje iyamsebenzela because usiyakwazi ukuthi enze izinto that normal people like me and you take for granted. If you want to learn more ngo-Anonymous, vele uye ngo kwi-page le-Neuralink and watch the videos. Just go watch the videos. Ave kumnandi masise ubuka lapho Anonymous esebhizi dlala ichess using ingqondo yakhe, abhizi manje asebenzisa ilaptop yakhe using ingqondo. There's no need for hands anymore. There's no need to stress manje. Everything ufuna ukuyenza uyayicabanga and then yenzeke. Hlakanipha ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi in the very beginning i-FDA yaqale yanqabela i-Neuralink ukuthi bakwazi ukuqala ama-human trials ngo-2022, but ngokuhamba kwesikhathi i-FDA yashintsha umqondo ngoba isibona ukuthi lento ye-Neuralink will assist abantu abaningi bakwazi ukubenefita emhlabeni, and njengamanje i-FDA ithi lento is a breakthrough device ezosiza abantu emhlabeni. Neuralink is a real company that is testing brain chips that could help paralyzed people to move again. But it is also raising serious ethical questions on privacy and human control. We don't know what the future holds, but we are hoping that maybe Neuralink is the future. Let's hope.
I feel like I should probably hold on to it the whole time and probably like gesture wildly with it. You're like, you guys, you know what I'm talking about, right? And here's the thing. So, like, I'll be able to talk with my hands again. So, listen, if we're all here tonight, I think.
Yeah, the arm gesticulating, I see it.
Oh, this plane's microwave.